Hey guys, welcome to another video of Stock Market Solutions. So today's video is going to be how to use Tradezero Pro, how to set up Tradezero Pro. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't know on my first video, so we're going to go through almost everything. The only thing that I will not talk is going to be about hotkeys. I have a video on my channel that you can go see, so feel free to go see the video. Is going to show you exactly how to set up your hotkeys with the Tradezero Pro version. So we're going to go through everything, how to set up everything. I'm going to show you how I did set up mine. We're going to remove everything and start over. Like this, you're going to know how to change the color for your charts, how to add colors on your level 2, how to add some indicators, how to... There's a lot of stuff that you're going to learn. Just to show you that, you see that I can actually remove this chart and put it on my other screen. And for 6 months, legit 6 months, I didn't know how to do that. I'm gonna put it back. Perfect. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Just before starting the video how to set up everything, we're gonna go through the website. I do have a code to get discounts on the Tradezero Pro, so you're gonna get $10 of discount. So let me go just show you that. So BBSM Solution stand for this is BB Stock Market Solution Inc. So it's the company that I have, that I give class and everything. Anyways, this is not the point. You have the Zero Pro for $69 per month, so $10 discounts, and you get it free if you do 80,000 shares of trading instead of 100,000. So honestly guys, for $69 you will not find a broker that give you $69 with leverage and everything. So we're gonna go to why Tradezero. So let's start. So you get free commission. There's a but there's 3 conditions to respect before getting the free commission. We're gonna go through that. So you have free real-time streaming, you have the web and desktop. We're gonna talk about the desktop. This is new. You can actually start trading guys starting at 4 a.m. You can start trading at 4 5 a.m. The only thing is really risky, so be careful with that. You have easy access to look at some shares. You have support anytime, so you can actually chat with an agent at 3 a.m. or 1 a.m. midnight like you want. So we're gonna go through pricing. So to get the free order, so no commission, you have to respect these 3 conditions. You have, first thing first, you have to have at least 200 shares. Your order need to be at least 200 shares. You have to trade the stock over $1, and your limit order cannot get filled directly. What that means is when you send a limit order, you have to wait at least 2 seconds before getting filled. So if not, you're gonna be charged half a cent for each shares, which is not bad. Honestly, half a cent, it's actually a good price. So this is the pricing for these shares and everything. Regarding the software, so for $79, the regular price is $79. Like I said, with my referral code, you get it for $69. You're gonna see it on the description. You have level 2 6 window, you have 10 window of charts. By the way, level 2 usually with other broker, you can go see, they charge you like $25 per month for level 2. It's free with this $79 per month. And the great thing about Tradezero is actually the leverage. So you have 1-to-1 if you have less than $500. If you trade between $500 to $2,500, you get 4-to-1, and over $2,500, you get 6-to-1. So imagine trading with like $1,000, and you can actually have leverage for 4. It's actually crazy. It's one of the only broker that give you that much leverage with a small account challenge, with a small account, because me I make video with small account challenge anyways. So this is the thing why I decide to keep my small account, because I only trade with $1,000 and I have a leverage of 4. So each month, the moment that I touch, like at the end of the month, if I'm over, like if I'm at 3,000, 4,000, I'm gonna remove the 3,000 and reset at 1,000 to make videos on YouTube. So you will never see me trade a stock with BA with this account. Maybe one day I'm gonna close my small account and just show you my main account. Anyways, so let's go see how to set up the Tradezero Pro. The first thing that I want to show you actually is, let me just close everything. I'm gonna show you something that you need to do first. It will not be long. Just loading. Perfect. So you're gonna put your username here, your password here. You're gonna add additional settings, and you're gonna click this thing, free floating windows. This option allow you to bring anything on your software to another screen. So if you want to bring, I don't know, one of the chart on a second screen or a third screen, and you don't want to bring everything, just one chart, you can do it, but you have to click this. So I'm gonna log in. Perfect. So we're gonna go through, I'm gonna bring this here, and I'm gonna close everything. So I'm gonna bring just that here. I don't want to close that, but I'm gonna close my watch list. I'm gonna show you how to do watch list. I'm gonna show you this, another watch list, how to customize your level 2, and close that, close that. Perfect. So when you're gonna open your first time your Tradezero software, just close everything. And now we're gonna start. So I'm gonna bring this here. So the only thing that you have to keep open is gonna be that. So first thing first, a level 2. So when you click this option, it's gonna bring you a level 2. So let's say we're gonna put AMC here. So the first time that you're gonna open a level 2, you're gonna see it like this, blue on blue with the time and sell, which is a little bit small. So we're gonna change the color on that and put it bigger. So you're gonna click on the settings here. It's gonna bring you this page. So you can actually decide, if you don't want to see the time and sale here, you can actually decide to remove it and apply OK. You don't see the time and sell. In my case, I like to have the time and sell. You have the level 1 code, you have display, market chart. This is okay, this is okay. The thing that we're gonna do here is we're gonna put some colors. You can put it like this, but the best thing is the classic level 2. And you can actually, for those who don't like, because you can see here that it's 35, but it's not 35 shares, it's 35 times 100. If you want to have the real number, you can remove these two, apply, okay. And the moment that's gonna change, you see now 5,700, 4,100, 2,400, 700. So you have the real number of shares that you want with the color. Also, what you can do, you can actually change what's quantity increasement. So now if I scroll with my mouse, it's gonna increase with 100 or decrease 100. You can decide to increase it by 1 or 50 or 200 or 500. You just have to put the number here. Set position, I don't like to have 3 number after my like 3 numbers, so I like to have it at 2. So we're gonna apply, and you're gonna see the difference. So you have 3.07, you don't have something else after, so you have the real number here. If you like to have it time 100, just display, you have to click display maker size and block of 100 shares for both time and sales and the level 2. You hit apply, and you're gonna see now it's 9:15, so it's gonna change. So you decide which one you like. I'm also blind, so let me put this at 10, apply. Yeah, like this is gonna be better. And I like to put it like this. The next thing is open a second level 2. Now people's gonna ask me, what do you open a second level 2? The reason is simple. I like to have two level 2 because I like to enter with this one and exit with this one. So the moment that I'm gonna buy a position or short, I'm gonna have either my stop loss or my exit, like my cover position ready. So I can actually click here, buy and sell here, or short and cover directly. So this is the reason. So we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna put it classic. I'm gonna put it at 2. I'm gonna apply. Put it at 10 because I'm blind. Apply, okay. And the next thing that you want to do is link them together. So this is really important. To link anything together, you have to click on this thing close to the setting option. So we're gonna put it at A. Now if I put, I don't know, APVO, everything is changing at the same time. So the two level 2 are linked together. So we're gonna put like this also. Perfect. The next thing here is the chart. So the first time that you're gonna click the chart, you're gonna see like the chart like this with black chart, which is not linked to anything. So we have to work on this. So what we're gonna do is, first thing first, we're gonna link them. So now this chart is linked to this. I'm gonna just put it smaller like this. Perfect. So now if I bring AMC back, you see the chart here. So now everything is linked. So first thing first, this, I like to have my main thing that I'm looking on a white background because it's more clear, and I have to have my my other screens on a black. So I'm going to show you my other screen. So you see I always have like those one, the second ticker that I look here, the third one black, and the main in white. Why? I don't know, always been like this. So you have the option to put it dark gray like this. You have a couple of options, light gray. Light gray is actually not bad, but the one that I'm gonna put is gonna be white. So now this is done. We're gonna go on the settings here and we're gonna change a couple of stuff. So first thing first is show in positions shaded. What that means is when you're gonna trade, when you're gonna buy and cover the position, or buy and sell, or cover, short and cover, you're gonna see like in your chart is gonna be like shaded. So I don't like that, so I'm gonna put false here. That's okay. You have the logo if you don't want the size of the logo, if you don't want to see the logo. When you go let me go just show you. If you go to Apple AAPL, how to speak AAPL. So you're gonna see the logo here. So you can actually decide to remove it, put it smaller like you want. Show grid lines. So I hate to have grid line, so I'm gonna show you what's gonna do now. So now it's more clean. So you don't have any line except for the previous close and your support and resistance. So you see how clear now the chart is just by removing like the grid line. So this is done. What else can we do here? Show orders. That's, yeah, that's if you want to see orders, you're gonna see like an arrow where you decide to go long or short. You're gonna have more details, so you can keep it. This is if you want to change, like right now I only have tick and arrow. That means that I'm gonna see like an arrow exactly where I decide to go long or short. I will not have any text. If you put text, it's gonna show you the number of shares and the price on the chart that you got in. If you don't want to see the shares, just the price, you can put this one. I'd rather just keep it like this. Actually, yeah, like this. After that, you can actually change the hit tolerance and bar margin to the right. So how close you want to see, I'm going to show you how close you want to see this last candlestick to the right side of your chart. Me, I keep it like this. It's more easy, it's more clean, so you can actually see the logo of the, it's not all the stock, but example this one you will not see it, APVO, but it's more clean. You don't have a lot of stuff going on your chart. The next thing is you have the indicator. A lot of you guys know that the only indicator that I use is actually VWAP. So if you want to put VWAP, you can put VWAP all. So you're gonna have this green line. This is gonna be the VWAP. If you want to change the VWAP, I'm gonna put just in case AMC, perfect. If you want to change this VWAP line, you go here, and now you're gonna see VWAP here. So what you can actually do is, I like to put it on small dots. I like to put it blue, like this. So you can change the color here. You go on the indicator that you want to change. So in our case, it's gonna be the VWAP, and we're gonna put it just at dot. And you're gonna put, this is the size of the indicator. I always put it between 2 to 3. 3 is too big, I think it's, we're gonna go back VWAP, small dot, 2, perfect. So now my blue line is gonna be the VWAP. If you want to add more indicator, I mean guys, there's so much indicators, so I will not go through everything, but there's here a lot of indicators. There's more indicators here, so moving average, you can add a couple of moving average. You have EMA here, moving average exponential. You have your previous close if you want to have it. You have here CSI. So you have so much stuff, guys. The RSI, I know that a lot of you guys like the RSI, so if you want to go to RSI, you can put it, but I'm gonna add another one just for you guys. So I'm gonna put a moving average, the regular one, and we're gonna put it at 200 moving average. So moving average, you can change the name here. We're gonna put 200 moving average. So here is the period, so we're gonna put 200. This is the color. I like to put it purple. We're gonna put 2 small dot, and I have my moving average here. So now I have my VWAP, my moving average, and the RSI. Okay, after that you can decide to put 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30, daily, like you want. Okay, so the next thing, it's normal that you're gonna see on my daily like candles, like a couple of support and resistance. So I'm gonna remove everything like this. We're gonna start that together. So after that, if you want to draw some support and resistance, so you just have to go on draw. You have this one, it's gonna give you, you just click and you can decide to change it whatever you want. So we can put the resistance here, I don't know, another one here. So you see how easy it is to just put some support and resistance. And example, you don't like the red color, so you want to put this one at green instead. You can actually change the support and resistance color now. You can actually customize everything, guys. You can change the color of everything. The only thing, you always have to go on the settings and go on the one that you want. So we have the VWAP here, we have the volume that you can customize. The previous close, I like to put it yellow like this, and you have it yellow. So now you have my yellow previous close, you have the 200 moving average in purple, you have my resistance at the green line here, you have the support at red, you have the VWAP. So you can actually change a lot of stuff. So if you want to put some red line, you can just, you see, easy as that. You want to change color also, let's change color, let's put it, I don't know, this color, gold. I think it's gold. I don't know what color it is, but anyways. If you want to remove everything from this chart, you can actually go here, draw, manage drawing object, clean drawing, or clean drawing for all symbol. This is gonna clear everything every symbol. In our case, we want to remove for this one for AMC. So this is done. So I like to have two charts, 1 minute here, and we're gonna click here for another one, which we're gonna put it 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do it actually fast. So first thing first, like I said, you link them, you put it white here. When you link them, you have to change the ticker. You see now everything is linked. I don't like the grid line, so I'm gonna remove that. False, close. So this is perfect like this. I like to have my VWAP. You have to change it here too. So you go on the VWAP, like I said, blue. I said blue, small dot, and this is the size, so 2. So on the 5 minute, what I usually do is I like to have my 200 moving average on the 5 minutes, so I don't want to redo everything, so we're gonna just change it like this. So I have my 1 minute here that I'm gonna put, and my 5 minute here. Why I have two charts, one 1 minute and one 5 minute, is you always have to have these two charts together. So I have the 1 minute here and the 5 minute here, and you can actually add another chart. I will not do it. Oops, this is another level 2. Another chart for your daily one. Okay, so we did that. After that, I have here my watch list. So you just have to add, I don't know, you are looking at Amazon, I don't know, there's so much thicker, so you just have to add them here, and you have your watch list. So I like to have 2 watch lists. Why 2 is I have one for my small account, for the one that I'm trading right now, and I like to have another one for my main account. And usually the one with my main account, I have like everything here. So I like to have that like this. I can, if I see that something is going on with like BA, I like to have Boeing, Microsoft, Twitter, Facebook, all those ones. I can actually go trade directly. The new one that I'm trading with my main account is Tesla, because since they split the shares, I can actually afford them. Anyways, this is not the point. So let's see what we have here. So this one is the news. So you only have to put, example, APVO is gonna give you all the news regarding this ticker. You want to put, I don't know, so a runner right now is, I actually don't know. So anyways, you can actually put the ticker that you want, and you're gonna have all the news on that. So you can put this on another screen. After that, you have, this is okay, this is that. So you have the where you see your PNL. You're gonna see the day unrealized, the day realized, and the total of the day, the number of shares that you did trade. So you have your PNL here. There's not a lot of stuff going on here, so I'm gonna put it like this. Put it bigger, and I like to cover my PNL on my YouTube video, just not my PNL, my account number. So you're gonna see your account number here. So you can put this like this, and even this one, guys, on the watch list, you can actually customize a lot of stuff. So example, you want to see the percentage of change. So you want to have it in percentage, not in like dollars. So you just have to click the one that you want, bring it here. So you click that, it's gonna be here. And if you want to see the percentage change just after the change here, in terms of dollars, you're gonna up, apply, and you see you have the change here. So now you have 0.023, a lot of stuff going on here. So I like to change the format. So percentage of change, where are you? 0. Like this, I see 1%, 2%, I don't see like everything. So there's a lot of stuff. You can actually change everything. You can customize how you want to see it, what you want to see. Example, if you don't want to see the bid and the ask, you can actually send it to the other side like this. You don't see it, you apply, and you have more place. So you can actually play with it. So you can change the size also. So anyway, so this is okay. Time and sell. The only thing that I don't like is, never mind, they changed it. Nice. They can actually, we can actually link it. Oh, okay. Never mind, guys. So, example, you go to Apple AAPL. So now you have your time and sell. Before, we didn't have this option to link the time and sell with level 2. You had to put the ticker manually. So what you can do, if you don't like to have your time and sell here, you can actually decide to just remove your time and sell. Apply, okay. Remove your time and sell also on the second one. Like this, you're gonna have more place on your level 2, right? And you keep one time and sell instead. Something like this. Something like this. So now you have your time and sell. You can see actually how many shares are, the amount of shares are traded at what price. You have a bigger level 2 and it's linked to your level 2. This is actually great. I didn't know that. So AMC is going to change it, right? Yes, nice. Before you had to change it manually. So this is great. The next thing is that, so you have your top most active scanner. You can actually decide to put it percentage change up, and you can put the NYSE most active, so you have the list of the most active. So you can just click here and you have 38%, 7% and everything. What I like to put is just most active, and you can put it here with the volume, so you see that FTEK, sorry, let's go see FTEK. Right now this thing is the most active with 100 million shares traded. So you can actually decide to put this one if you like here or on another screen. So this is just to give you the most active. I don't really use it. I mean, I have other scanner for that, but they gave you that for free also. This is for option, for people who trade option. You can trade option also. I like to put the, if you don't know, by the way, this option here, if you don't know the ticker of a company, example Apple, or I don't know, exchange symbol AAPL, you want to know what's the name of AAPL. Oops. Do I have to? I've got Apple. So you have Apple Inc. So this one, you don't know the name, you just put Apple, the company Apple Inc. It's the ticker AAPL. So it's going to give you the ticker, or if you know the ticker but you don't know the name of the company, you just have to put the ticker name. You have the hotkeys. So like I said, I have a video with that. You can go see. You can actually set up your hotkey. This is the connection to see how fast everything is going, how smooth everything is going. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I mean, this is how I like to put this one on another screen and just put it bigger here like this. So the 1 minute is always bigger because there's more stuff going on, and you just have to play with it like this. You can put it like this. You decide. Basically everything is, you can actually customize everything. So I did show you everything I know regarding level 2. I'm just trying to see if I did forget something. No, this is okay, this is okay. So let me close that. This is, we talked about level 2. Yeah, that's it, guys. So basically, like I said, you can actually decide to, there's a lot of stuff for the chart. So if you want to go on RSI, you want to add the RSI, you just click on indicator and you go on RSI, which is supposed to be here, RSI. So you're gonna see the RSI here. I mean, if you have a lot of draw, like a lot of support and resistance all over the place, guys, you don't have to go one at a time, remove it. You can just go here, draw, and clear draw. That's it, that's all. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to drop a like. So if you have any question or any you want me to do a video on something, just leave it on the comment, and I hope that you like this video. So have a good one, guys, and trade safe.